Ow.
Alright, got a little bit of a different video for you here today. This was sent to me by someone asking if I had any idea what the issue could be. So let me play the video here, and then when it's done, we'll talk about what the issue possibly could be. Okay, so the noise we're concerned about is not the hammering. That is someone, I guess, working back in a shop hitting on something. The noise we're looking at is when he pulls the dipstick out, you start hearing a whistling sound. So the whistling sound generally comes from the diaphragm and top of the valve cover blowing out. That tends to be the most common thing to fail in these cars first. A good way to check and see if that's where noise is coming from is there's a little square hole right on the front side that kind of points down to the oil filler cap. Put your thumb over it. If the noise stops, the diaphragm's blown. To fix that, you replace the valve cover. You can't replace just the diaphragm. The second way these cars kind of make noise is it's less of a whistle, more of a chirping sound, and that comes from the crank seal being sucked in or blown out, either way. And it makes this chirping sound. And to do that, you got to pop off the crank pulley and replace the seal on the front cover. Both of these issues are caused from the same thing though, and that is the PCV system. So to prevent these from happening, or if they do happen, you fix them, you don't want them to happen again because it will happen again, you need to do the PCV fix. And I will link in the description the video I just made last where I show you how I did the PCV fix. And that's through one company, and there's another company that does it. It doesn't matter which one you do. All that matters is that you have to get that done, or these cars will keep having these same issues. There's just too much pressure in the PCV system. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.